Yo guys, Jason here with a Christmas video. 28 past minute 20, 28 minutes past 6 on Christmas Day, and I want to show you this. Yep, it's dark, so don't worry about that. This, as you can see, is a 3D virtual reality goggles. Yep, 30 quid. I got some more videos to come. Stay tuned for them tomorrow. So let's unbox these. Let's unbox them, put them on, and I'll tell you how they feel. Yep, next video coming up is an action cam. There's some reviews on some games. So, open. This would be better if I had the action cam, but it's not placed. It's not charged yet. But it will be tomorrow. Tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. But it's a box. You get it in. Yeah. Cloth probably. Mature. We won't get to them yet. And instruction. Then so keep that there. The main device. Yeah. Black, so you can't really see. Let's put it on so you can see what I look like. Apparently it's meant to mess up your head. Okay, it's black. What do I look like? I can't see. They hurt. I'll probably like extend it out a bit. But till then, I got my phone here so we can get the app. I've already got the app, so let's open it. Let's have a look. I don't know if I got the right app, but we'll find out. We can start 3D. Oh dear God! Right, so we can get this in here. Oh, it's epic. Give it a go, shall we? Oh God. Oh God. No. Oh God. Then you and I will go at this. Oh dear God. I'm going this way. Oh, the banging wall.
Wow, that's awesome.
No. Dan. 1 minute. Oh God. Put these on. I'm not fucking joking.
Oh, I'm scared.
They might be a bit tight, so.
Oh my God.
Just like turn. Just like move your head. No, just like turn your head and stuff.
Oh, but this is
No,
awesome.
actually turn it. Just like look both ways, like you're moving.
Oh my God, I'm moving. Ah! Oh my God, that's scary.
You don't have to turn your head. You have to like sway it to one side. You're the actual person, so.
I just jumped. Right, you didn't want that. my god! Oh my god, that feels so weird.
They're meant to mess up your head as well.
You can still see it from here.
Yeah.
Why? Because your eyes are so low.
There's your positive information. If you want to see, you might can't see, but.
What, have you put your phone in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an app.
I want to see that roller coaster app.
Gee, then, where are you taking us?
I don't want to.
Go on over here. I could probably play in bed with this. Okay, we're going this way.
Imagine in town doing that. And I was like, what is it?
Wow. I'm fine.
Wait, control it as well.
Right. My perspective on it. Weird. Let me get this. Got a phone out.
Yeah, but anyway.
Right. What do I think about this?
Not going anywhere until you did it, me.
Messed up.
Not letting you go until you did it, me. Do it. Drop
Yeah, definitely messed up.
it. Drop.
So, I'll do a review on this. Probably like a couple of days, but when I do. Probably Monday. Oh my. Probably Monday. Monday or Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
So I'll do the review on the other thing.
Cool.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe.
Don't rate me.
And this has been an unboxing. You can move them as well. I'll do that in a review. On the
Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing?
3D Virtual Simulator. Bye.
What? What are you there? Tell me to fuck up and
Yeah, ignore background voices.